Super Moms! Alright, so today we're making TIE fighters. And there's 3 reasons why I love this recipe. For one, obviously it's healthy. 2, the kids love them. And I don't even mind them playing with their food on this one. And 3rd, you really couldn't get an easier recipe. So if you're looking for super easy and fun, this is the one for you. So for this super easy recipe, I started with 2 green peppers, and this is going to make 9 TIE fighter bites. So I start by cutting them into a hexagon shape. So basically you just want 6 fairly even sides, and then you just put them aside. Now for the extra pieces that you're cutting off, if you want, you can use them to make Baby Yoda sweet potato bites. And I'm going to link that recipe just above here. Those are super yummy and super easy too. I'm all about the super easy recipes. Another thing you can do is you can also let your kiddos snack on the extra bits, and then they get a nice healthy treat. This recipe is so good because it's crunchy and it's great for little kiddos. Like I said, I don't even mind them playing with it so much, you know, going around with zoom, zoom. So next, all I do is I use hummus, and you can use a store-bought hummus as long as it doesn't have any additives in it. Or I've also got a great recipe for Jabba the hummus, and I'll link that recipe above. Pretty much all you're doing is you're putting a little bit of hummus on one wing, adding a cherry tomato, and then putting some hummus on the other side and sticking it together. So one thing you will notice when I was cutting up my green pepper is that my green pepper is bigger than my cherry tomato. Because if you know what a TIE fighter looks like, the wings are a good bit bigger than the center. But that's really it. They are super fast, super easy, and you know your kids are getting vitamin C, iron, lycopene, plant protein, you know, calcium, and so much more. So it's a really great recipe. Now, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like and subscribe.